Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Olympus E-M10 IV with the Sony A6400. So the sensor is better for Sony. Then you're gonna have 200 to 25,600 Olympus ICO range, but with the Sony you are going to have 100 to 32,000. Then you're gonna have image stabilization for Olympus. Then screen is equal. The viewfinder is just very much little bit better for Olympus. Continuous shooting speed Sony. High speed video Sony. Weight Olympus, and weather sealed body Sony. So when we're going to look here, the Olympus is better in live composite mode, inbuilt image stabilization, LCD resolution, continuous shooting, weight, flash coverage, focus, bracketing, and max video bitrate. On the other hand, Sony is better in video record limit. You're going to have unlimited, that's huge. Then also viewfinder magnifier, sensor resolution, max ICO, number of focus points, battery life, microphone port, environmental saving, sensor pixel area, NFC connection, animal IF tracking, webcam function, and eye tracking focus. Have a great day and goodbye.